In this session, we are going to learn about how to work with dictionary data structures in Python. Okay, so basically, dictionaries are an unordered collection. You will have key and pair here. Okay, those are going to called as or referred as keys and values. Again, dictionary is represented with the curly brackets, same as sets, but here each entry will have two things. One is called key, another one is called value, and each key value pair is separated by an operator called colon, and each entry is again separated by comma. So here A is a key, 1 is a value, B is a key, list of values 1 comma 2 comma 3 is value, C is key, tuple, foo and bar are the values. Okay, the moment this is how we declare, it has to be, remember that keys will be always in string, values can be anything. It has to be a valid Python expression. I have given integer, I have assigned it as a list, I have assigned it as a tuple, you can assign it as a set, you can assign it as an expression or any sort of things, but keys always needs to be in the quotes, and values should be separated by colon, and the next entry is separated by comma. The moment you execute this command, you are going to get a equals to 1, b equals to 1 to 3, c equals to foo and bar. Now, if you want to add a new entry to your dictionary, this is how you're going to do. My dictionary, inside the square brackets, you're going to pass the new key you want to add, and then you will assign the values to it. For example, till now we had A, B, and C. Okay, and now he will add another key called D and assign the values as 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, print my dictionary will, the moment you print your dictionary, you will get 10, 20 and 30 as an output. Then, similar to list and tuple, we have some built-in functions like pop. The moment you call this function pop, and you have to pass the key reference, which element from a dictionary you want to pop. Pop is nothing but it will remove this key from your dictionary, key and the corresponding value. So the moment I say my dictionary dot pop a, it will remove one element, one entry from your dictionary. So the remaining keys will be remain, the remaining items will remain intact, b and c and d. So we don't see a got removed because we have performed pop operation on our dictionary. Similarly, you can also delete an entry from dictionary by calling a del command. Del command, what it does is it will delete the corresponding key value pair from your dictionary. Now we have removed B as so. So the remaining elements and keys are C and D. And then if you, there are some functions which will return items like what are the available keys in your dictionary. So we just have two things, C and D. The output will be C and D are the two keys we have. And if you ask what are the dictionary values, he will say that you have one tuple with value foo and bar, and another one is list with value 10, 20, 30. Okay. Similarly, from a dictionary, you can create a table is nothing but where you will have columns and the corresponding values. For example, your keys will act as a column names, and the values, the rows will be, column A will have value 1 2 3 4, column B will have the values 10 20 30 40, column C will have the values true false, false true. So this is a dictionary where three columns are there. Two column holds information as a list, third column hold information as tuple. Then we have to import pandas as pd, and then you're going to call this function and pass your dictionary. The moment you run these two lines of code, you will get your dictionary converted to a pandas data frame. In other language, it is called as a table. Okay.